help me choose a hairstyle for the day. I have our blush claw clip, I have our Asymmetric butterfly clip, and our signature Slate clip. Starting off with Slate, I'm taking my hair, twisting it, wrapping it inside and around like so. Super easy way to get a bun hairstyle. Next is our Asymmetric claw clip. Super cool if you do it in like a beehive format, meaning create a loop like this and then take your claw clip and just pin one side of it. You could literally do this super easily. Finally, we have clip number 1 in a blush. And I think for this one, we will just do a super simple look. So we're gonna take our hair, we're gonna tie it together, bring it up, and then twist and secure. And that's it. Let me know which one you think I should wear today.